Having used Burson's over the years, EzyParts has certainly come on to the scene, making our life and my receptionist's life a lot easier. Years ago, having ringing up and then waiting to find out availability and prices and things has taken time. With EzyParts now, particularly with Burson's, we're finding it an amazing system that actually provides us stock levels and everything else and prices and updated prices, which is really important to us, so we can make sure our prices are correct going out. EzyParts made it really nice with the Rego lookup, being able to actually see that vehicle straight in front of you and be able to identify the parts, and then being able to actually see a picture of the part as well, so you can actually confirm 100% that you're going to get the right part. This way makes the parts ordering process so much easier. If there's obviously anything that needs to be ordered or done, I can use EzyParts nice and early and get onto that at any time of day and make sure the parts are there ready for the morning for the customers to do. And that system has been fantastic in just making our life easier.